To fix Venmo want transfer to debit card issues. Start by checking your Venmo account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds for the transfer. Next, verify that your debit card is correctly linked to your Venmo account and that the card information is up to date. Check your debit card expiration date, card number, and security code to ensure they are accurate. If you have recently updated your debit card, try removing and re-adding it to your Venmo account. Also, confirm that your debit card supports instant transfers, as not all cards do. If your card does not support instant transfers, you can try using a different debit card or waiting 1 to 3 business days for a standard transfer. Another common issue is insufficient funds in your Venmo account or a hold on your account. Check your Venmo account status to see if there are any holds or restrictions that may be preventing the transfer. Additionally, check your debit card account to ensure it is active and has no restrictions or holds that may be blocking the transfer. If you are still having trouble, try restarting the Venmo app or checking for any app updates. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Venmo customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide more detailed guidance on how to fix the issue. It is also a good idea to review Venmo's transfer limits and fees to ensure you are not exceeding the daily or weekly limits. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and successfully transfer funds from your Venmo account to your debit card.